Hello guys, today discuss on lactic acid for topical use. See, lactic acid one of the very good cosmetic here. Mainly it helps to remove the dead cells and generate new cells. Okay, casually you are observing two pictures here. These are dry, scaly, rough and sensitive skins. And this topical used lactic acid is very good for the this type of the skins. And here you have to understand one more important point, that is safe concentration of lactic acid on face. Different concentrations are there, they are applied on different parts of the skin, okay, and for the different therapeutic use. Here the safe concentration is at 10% or less than 10% is safe according to FDA. And this lactic acid you will get in the cream form, then in the gel forms, chemical peel forms, and also serum. Among these all, serum is one of the very authenticate and very good, so that you can get good results in a few days. Then how can you apply this? See dears, you can apply 2 times in a day and you will see results in 15 days. And for application, one trick is there. First what you have to do means you have to damp your face with the water, means wet your face, then you apply this serum, lactic acid serum, okay, of wait for some minutes so that it can get absorbed in the skin. After that you apply the sunscreen lotion. That sunscreen lotion should be SPF 50 or SPF 35. Okay, best is a SPF 50. So by applying this SPF 50 you can prevent your face from the irritation and redness. Clear? So you try this, definitely you are going to rich your skin texture. So subscribe our channel at GM Pharmacy and don't forget to share.